I'm Chet Peters, mechanical engineer, entrepreneur, and U.S. Marine. My brother and I started Milspin 5 years ago. We bought our first machine on a credit card. We set up shop in a 2-car garage, started watching YouTube videos, and became self-taught machinists. We've come a long way since then. Milspin is the rebirth of American manufacturing. We spend every waking hour trying to figure out how to create more jobs, more skilled labor jobs for American patriots and veterans. Our newest project is the Milspin EDC Pry Bar. You can use it to pry things open. You can use it to turn screws. You can open boxes with it. All of our machinists have been using it to shotgun beers. You can open bottles. We have been dreaming this product up for several months. It took us several weeks to draw it, and most recently it took me an entire weekend of not sleeping, but just producing the first prototype, and it failed. And so I made the second prototype, and it just wasn't quite there. And then when I went and made the third one, it was perfection. And if I can create that perfection one time, I can replicate it. It's cut from a solid block of stainless steel. I'm working right now on cutting them out of titanium, and if I can find a big enough piece of meteorite from outer space, I'm going to start cutting it out of those too. The more exotic, the better. The process begins with a solid block of stainless steel, and I mount it into a vise. There's a series of tools of different geometries that will come through, and we just start removing material. And the key to a great surface finish is to just leave a fraction of a millimeter of material left over this part. And the last thing that we do is we come by and we just clean up that last 0.002 inches of material. That's the only way to achieve this kind of perfection in a surface finish. We have one of the most talented design teams in the world that can take your custom emblems and turn it into a reality, deep engraving it on any one of our products. We always offer that as an option. It's extremely important to us to be able to make products that tell a story, that tell a customer's story. This one in particular is Dane and I's military emblem, the Reconnaissance Jack. We are driven by pleasing our customers and offering the absolute highest end products that we can create. And we couldn't do it without your support. And we are doing it, and we're doing it well. And that's where every morning we come here to manufacture greatness in America.